Hey guys, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Today we're at a brand new creek. This is really exciting. We're going to be going upstream here. New town, new county for fishing for us, new creek for fishing for us. Let's see how we do out on the water. We're going to look for some smallmouth, maybe some multi-species action. Let's find out what's going to happen. Follow along and see what we do out on the water. This is a creek I've been wanting to fish for a long time. It's mid-June. Let's get fishing. We're gonna start with Topwater and probably switch to Jade's jigs and maybe some other presentations along the way. We're gonna be waiting today and heading upstream. Looks like already a very lively body of water. Some nice weed growth on it, so it's gonna be a little different. Again, we have no real expectations today, just discovery. Results of Google mapping. Find a potential fishing spot. So we're gonna be starting with the bone whopper plopper 90 today. Just looking for fish. The only information I have about this creek is there are good fish in it. It's good fishing, but you do have to cover water, and I came prepared to cover water today. Oh, fish on. Yes. I don't even know if I was looking right. That was what we wanted to get. What type of fish it is, we'll find out quickly. Huge rock bass. Holy cow. That's a sandwich bass right there, guys. Holy moly. That is a big rock bass. Say that we take pictures of rock bass, but that's a monster. Oh, this is a bass. Yes! I was just getting down. Holy snacks! This is a big fish, guys. This is a good one too. Whoa. Oh, it's a big largemouth too. Or a spot, one way or the other. It's a big fish, guys. Wow. I want to horse them. These are really pretty fish. Wow. Holy cow. We're gonna find out. I think it's just a largemouth. Pot, but look how fat this thing is. Holy cow. Looks like he's got an antenna in his mouth. I don't know if he's some sort of crawfish or something. Beautiful fish. Get a picture of him and get him back. Really consider going largemouth fishing today, but that's definitely my creek largemouth best of show. Wow. Let's let this guy go. Thank you so much. Look at you, beautiful fish. Wow. Hit like a ton of bricks too. Wow. Thump. Hey, a little morning largemouth topwater. I mean, I don't know what's going on the other side of the shore. I can't tell you. But there's lots of craziness going on over there. One of my all-time best rock bass, and definitely all-time best creek largemouth out of here already. Oh, there we go. That's a bass of sorts. All right. See if this is my first smallmouth. He jumped, smallmouth. Looks like our largemouth. Yep, another largie. Thanks, bud. Little guy, but oh, there we go. Got him. See what we got this time. Another good largemouth. Wow. Chunky largemouth. Thank you. Ooh, there's something. Tried to eat it. Dang it. Oh, fish on. I think it's a largemouth again though. Looked green to me. Fun though. No, we have our first smallmouth of the trip. Thanks, buddy. Pretty first smallmouth. Where's the bite? I don't know from what. Oh, that was a good bite. What a healthy fish, guys. Healthy fish. Oh, ho, ho. This could easily be the biggest smallmouth of the day. I don't know if it's a smallmouth. It's coming this way. Oh yeah, smallmouth. Beautiful fish. We do need to tighten the drag a little bit. Ooh. Yes. Yes. That is a beautiful fish, guys. Beauty. Lovely fish, guys. That's an awesome fish. Thank you, bud. Ooh, fish on. Got one. What did I get? I don't know, to be honest. Not a rock bass, I don't think. Ah, get out of there. Yeah, a little largemouth. I felt more largemouthy when he was fighting. Thanks, bud. Thank you. Thank you. This is multi-bass species. Creek for sure. It's kind of cool. Oh, there we go. Good bass. Or huge rock bass again. This was a good fish, no matter what it was. Big rock bass. There's a sandwich size one. Nice fish. Well guys, that was a lot of fun at the creek. A nice mixed bag. Big smallmouth, big largemouth, huge largemouth on the beginning. That was a ton of fun. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you to go out and check out your local creeks, look at Google Maps, and find a new place to fish just like I did today. Never been here before, never even thought of fishing here until earlier this year when I spot this location and wanted to come and fish it. So it was definitely worth it. There was some hard waiting. Maybe a kayak next time would be a better option, but it was a ton of fun. So thank you so much for watching. Pound that like button if you would. Help us out. Drop us a comment. We love hearing from you. Subscribe to the channel and check out Reese Life Dad Life as well. And we will see you next time out on the water. God bless. Boom.